हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा एस्ट्रल लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइस, एस्ट्रल शेयर प्राइस स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड रिकॉर्ड्स। लाइव मार्केट प्राइस 1898.95 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹2500। 2500 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। सेक्टर प्लास्टिक्स, इंडस्ट्री प्लास्टिक्स, पाइप्स एंड फिटिंग्स। टेक्निकल चार्ट। Astral share price. Astral Polytech share price insights, key metrics, returns. Intraday fact check. In the last 15 years, only 4.41%. Trading season saw intraday gains higher than 5%. Okay. Key metrics. PE ratio 89.01. EPSTTM 21.25. Market capital 38,055.54 crore. Sectoral market capital rank 1. PB ratio 16.17. Dividend yearly 0.16. Face value 1. Beta 0.65. VWAP 1,894.76 and 52-week low high 2,654.80 and 1,581.55. Astral Polytech share price returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. Okay. Astral Polytech news and analysis. Astral Polytech share analyze. Recommendation: strong buy. Financials, balance sheets, cash flow ratios, cash flow, balance sheets and income, profit and loss. Quarterly, annual, September 2022. Betting 3-year revenue CAGR. Company's annual revenue growth of 38.34% outperform its 3-year CAGR of 20.41%. Source: consolidated financials. Okay. Total income 1,185.10. Total income growth minus 3.20. Total expenses 1,072.40. Total expenses growth by minus 1.12. EBITDA 112.70. EBITDA growth minus 19.38. Profit after tax PAT 70.40. PAT growth minus 20.81. EBITDA margin 9.51. Net profit margin 5.94. Basic EPS 3.50. Forecast. Technicals. %46 positive moment since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. 52% negative moment since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Pivot level: classic R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Pivot 1897.07. Average true range ATR 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. Live market price 1,896.70 with a target price of ₹2,500. Peer comparison. Ratios performs. Astral Polytech, Phenolux Industry, Prince Pipes and Apollo Pipes. Technical chart. Okay, stock returns versus Nifty 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of 133.3% as compared to Nifty 100, which gave a return of 52.39% as of last trading season. Shareholding pattern. Total shareholdings. Okay, quarter on quarter change. Category 30 September 2022. Promoters 55.85, pledge 0.00, FII 0.00, DII 14.30, mutual funds 7.95, others 29.85. Okay, mutual fund ownership. First, UTI FlexiCap Direct Growth Equity FlexiCap rating 4-star, amount invested 700.16 crore, 2.68% annual, 0.00 change, month to month basis. Okay, then second, Axis Long Term Equity Direct Growth Equity Else rating 3-star, amount invested 605.74 crore, 1.92% annual, 0.00 change, month to month basis. Okay, then third, Axis Midcap Direct Growth Equity Midcap rating 5-star, amount invested 527.30 crore, 2.68% annual and 0.00 change, month to month basis. Okay, corporate action. Dividend. Others. And about Astral Politic. Okay, Astral Limited Incorporated in the year 1996 is a mid-cap company having a market capital of Rs 38,233.84 crore, operating in plastic sector. एक प्लास्टिक कंपनी है ये. Astral Limited key product revenue segment include plastic product and other operating revenue for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials. For the quarter ended 39/2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of Rs 1,185.10 crore, down 3.20% from last quarter. Total income of Rs 1,224.30 crore and up 1.98% from last year. Same quarter. Total income of Rs 1,162.10 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of Rs 75 crore in latest quarter. Okay, company has SRBC and company LLP as its auditors. As on 30/9/2022, the company has a total of 20.15 crore shares outstanding. Sandeep P. Engineer, Chairman and Managing Director, and Girish P. Joshi, Whole-time Director. Industry, Plastics, Pipes and Fittings. Location, Astral House 207/1 B/H, Rajpath Club, opposite SG Highway, Ahmedabad, Gujarat 380059, India. Okay, so guys, Astral share price, stock analysis and records. Sector plastic, industry plastic, pipes and fittings. Live market price 1,894.95 with a target price of ₹2,500. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. ओके, सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.